Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can share your pages from your Notion workspace, for example, to invite coworkers or team members to work on the given page. So let us get started and show you how to do that. It is very simple. Head over to your workspace on Notion and select the page you would like to customize, edit or share here on the left hand side. So let me go with that one. And what you will need to do, guys, basically is click on the share button in the top right to share your page. For example, you may share it through an invitation email sent to you by your contact. Simply enter the given recipient's email address here and click on invite to send the invitation via email so that the given contact may either accept or decline the invitation. Or you may create, for example, a shareable link by clicking on that button here. After that, the shareable link will be copied to your clipboard so that you can invite your contacts to access and to work on the given page here in Notion through, for example, via direct messaging services, newsletters, emails, social media posts, and so on and so forth. You may also decide who you would like to give access to these shared pages by clicking on the current general access here, like for example, only to share it only with people who have received an invitation, or to everyone within your workspace, or to anyone with their shareable link on the internet. So guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.